Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to mute Facebook like sound using your iPhone or Android device. If the constant popping sound of Facebook likes is starting to get on your nerves, you are not alone. Whether you are scrolling late at night, walking quietly, or simply prefer a more peaceful experience, muting Facebook's like sound can make your feed feel much calmer. Luckily, both iPhone and Android users can silence these interaction sounds in just a few taps. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the Facebook app on your device, and then you have to hit the menu icon, usually three lines or your profile picture in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down a bit and select Settings and Privacy option. After that, choose the Settings option. And then you have to head over to the Preferences section and choose the Media option. And finally, you have to disable the toggle for Play All Sounds in App located under Sound in Feed and Storage section. And that's about it. So that's all it takes to mute the Facebook like sound using your iPhone or Android device. Once you adjust this important setting, your feed becomes much smoother and far less distracting. If you ever want the sound back, you can just return to the same menu and re-enable it anytime you want. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can get rid of the Facebook like sound using your iOS or Android device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.